Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay and I am going to dictate you a legal passage on Rajasthan High Court judgment containing 720 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. The dictation will fluctuate between the speed of 85 to 95 words per minute. So get ready. 3 seconds. Start. By writ petition number 7316 oblique 2017 under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioners have challenged the constitutional validity of provision to Rule 273 of the Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Rules 1996 substituted by the Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Amendment Rules 2013 wide notification dated 29/1/2013. Stop. Petitioners have prayed for following reliefs. Stop. By an appropriate writ, order and direction in the nature thereof, the amended provision of Rule 273 of the Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Rules 1996 amended wide notification dated 29/1/2013 may kindly be held ultra vires to the Constitution of India, illegal, arbitrary, and the same may kindly be quashed and set aside. Stop passage. By an appropriate writ order and direction. Alternatively, the respondents may kindly be directed to further amend the provision of Rule 273 of the Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Rules 1996 and include the posts on which the petitioners have worked in midday meal scheme in the Rule 273 of the Rules 1996. Stop. By an appropriate writ order and direction, the respondents may be directed to give benefit of bonus marks to the petitioners on their respective posts under midday meal scheme in the light of clarification order dated 21/4/2017. Stop. By an appropriate writ order and direction, the respondent Chief Executive Officer Zila Parishad Jaipur may be directed to issue experience certificate to the petitioners on the basis of their services through placement agency. Stop. By an appropriate writ order and direction, the respondents may be directed to consider experience certificates and give benefit of bonus marks and give appointment to the post of LDC recruitment 2013 if found eligible and suitable on the basis of merits with all consequential benefits. Stop. Any other order or direction this honorable court may deem fit and proper be also passed in favor of the petitioners. Stop. At the outset, learned counsel for the parties have jointly submitted that insofar as petitioner number 1 Tikam Chand Verma, petitioner number 5 Rajesh Kushwaha, and petitioner number 6 Manoj Kumar Nahar in writ petition number 7316 oblique 2017 are concerned on account of subsequent notification their grievance has been redressed as now they have been granted weightage of experience of the post on which they were working. Stop. Therefore, this petition, in so far as petitioners number 1, 5, and 6 are concerned, is rendered infructuous. Stop passage. Petitioner number 2, Shankar Lal Lakhera, petitioner number 3, Poonam Saini, and petitioner number 4, Jitendra Kumar Sharma were appointed through placement agency on different posts. Stop. Petitioners number 2 and 3 were appointed as steno whereas petitioner number 4 was appointed as assistant staff in the midday meal scheme of the central government implemented by the state stop. Statement of posts as issued by the Deputy Commissioner Finance has also been placed on record as annexure for stop. Passes in exercise of powers conferred by Section 102 of the Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Act 1994, Act number 13 of 1994, and all other powers enabling in this behalf, the state government framed rules known as Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Rules 1996, hereinafter referred to as the Rules of 1996 stop. Amongst various provisions, the aforesaid rules also provided for appointment to various posts stop. Rule 273 of the Rules of 1996 was amended by adding a provision wide Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Second Amendment Rules 2012 wide notification dated 17/12/2012 stop. The proviso so added laid down qualification and experience required for appointment to the post of lower division clerk stop. The rule was again amended via Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Amendment Rules 2013, by which the proviso added earlier wide Second Amendment Rules 2012 was again substituted by a new proviso as below stop. Provided also that in case of appointment to the post of lower division clerk, merit shall be prepared by the appointing authority on the basis of such weightage as may be specified by the state government for the marks obtained in senior secondary or its equivalent examination, and such marks as may be specified by the state government having regard to the length of experience exceeding 1 year acquired by persons engaged on the post of junior technical assistant, junior engineer, gram rozgar sahayak, data entry operator, computer operator with machine, lekha sahayak, lower division clerk, coordinator, IAC, coordinator training, coordinator supervision other than through placement agency in Manrega or in any other scheme of the Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj in the state. Over.